Hey guys, me again. So we're going to keep going over some examples of volume to make sure we really understand. Remember, this was use 3.14 pi. And now we need to talk about what that formula was. Remember, our formula is volume equals pi times radius squared times height. Step 1 is figure out what your radius is and what your height is. Now, do I know what my radius is on this problem? Remember, my radius has to do with my circle. Well, the number here with my circle is 24. Is that my radius? I hope you're all saying, no, Miss Cook, that's your diameter. And you're right. Now, how do I find my radius from my diameter? Remember, the diameter is 2 times my radius. So I want to do the opposite of times, which is divide. So I'm going to do 24 divided by 2, which equals 12. So that means my radius is 12 and my height is 9. I'm going to write my formula down again. Volume equals pi radius squared times height. So volume equals, because that's what we're trying to find, pi. Now I'm going to plug in certain numbers for this. What do I plug in for pi? Remember over here it says 3.14. So I'm going to plug in 3.14. Now I want to get rid of this r. How do I get rid of this r? It has a certain number it goes with. Well, over here I found my radius is 12, so I'm going to plug that in. 12 squared. Now my height, well, what is my height? It's right there, so times 9. Now I'm just going to plug this all into my calculator. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's see if it lets me. So parentheses, 3.14 times my radius, which was 12 squared. See how it gives you that little 2? Squared, put the 2. Parentheses, times your height, which was 9. We get 4,069.44. So then my answer right here is volume equals 4,069.44 centimeters cubed, because centimeters is my unit. Now let's look at our next ones. This says leave in terms of pi. Well, what does that mean? Well, let's talk about it. Think about leave. Leave means we want it there to stay. So volume equals pi radius squared times height. Now I want to find my volume, so I need to find my radius and my height first. So radius equals height equals. My radius has to do with my circle, so which number goes with my circle? 2 or 6? Well, looking over here, it's my 2. So my radius is 2 and my height is 6. Now I'm going to plug it in. Volume equals, it doesn't say use 3.14, so I'm going to leave pi there. Pi times my radius, which is 2. 2 squared times my height, which is 6. Now again, we're going to just use that calculator. Remember, we don't want the pi, so we're going to just leave it right now. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. So put these numbers in the calculator. If it works again. So it's parentheses, 2, and then right here, this button, squared, we're going to put 2 times 6 equals 24. So my volume is 24 pi, because I'm leaving it in terms of